Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add ATM or debit card charges in QuickBooks Online. This is an important process to keep your expenses accurate and make sure all your transactions are properly recorded. Let's get started. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account using your web browser. Once you're inside the dashboard, go to the New button at the top. From there, select Expense under the Vendors section. This will open the expense form where you can record your transaction. Next, start filling in the details. Choose who you paid, then select the payment account where the money was taken from. After that, select the payment method and enter any reference number if needed. Now, move to the Categories section and choose the correct expense category. Then add a description, enter the amount, and include any additional details like customer, tax, or whether the expense is billable. You can also add a memo for extra clarity and attach receipts or documents as proof of the transaction. Once everything looks correct, click Save and Close. Now, beyond the steps, it's important to understand that tracking debit and ATM transactions supports financial accuracy, expense visibility, budgeting control, audit preparation, record consistency, transaction classification, reporting clarity, business insights, cash flow awareness, reconciliation efficiency, bookkeeping discipline, financial organization, compliance readiness, and overall decision-making for sustainable business growth and long-term stability. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.